Welcome! This video is going to show you how to create a connection between Maralytics platform and Square point of sale, aka POS system. To transfer a sales transaction from a campaign between the Square POS system and the Maralytics platform, a connection is required. Firstly, you will need to create a campaign before you can set up the connection, as this is needed to track the sales between Square POS and the Maralytics platform. On the left-hand side, click Campaign, then click Create Campaign. Here you will add the campaign name, then campaign type, start date, and the end date. In the notes section, you can add some notes for your campaign, and in this case, there is nothing to add here. So click on Create. This will then show you your unique campaign ID to write down so that you can use it throughout the remainder of the steps in this process in connecting with Square. Once this is done, click on the X and then it will come up with this page about your cost. Dropping down, clicking whatever is applicable for your cost type, the date in which the payment is to commence, and also the cost value. In the notes section, you will add your campaign ID and also the expiry date in which this campaign is due to end. Once this is done, click Add and Close, and it will ask you to connect the type of POS. In this case, we are using Square, and the campaign name is Google Ads in this case. You can also add multiple different campaigns under this. However, it is not applicable in this type of connection, and to remove them, just click the X. To get out of this Dropbox section, click Outside, then click on Create. And now we will need to connect our POS and ask to sign into your Square account. Add in your email address and password. Once this is complete, click Sign In. Now this is showing the point of sale management tab, which shows the connection between Square POS and the Maralytics platform for your campaign ID and the campaign name. It is important to note the connection status and status both reflect true. This is to show the connection is effective. And if you are going to be creating more campaigns in the future, then you need to delete this existing connection and start the process again with all of your campaigns that will be running at the one time. The transfer of sales will only be for the campaign that are listed on the current connection. So it's always good to check which campaigns can be actively tracked. You are now all set up in creating the connection between your Maralytics and your Square POS system. All of your campaign data will now be transferred between the two systems. Happy marketing!